Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Petit-Cap is a small rural community on the eastern shore of New Brunswick, not far from the Northumberland Strait. It is part of the Acadian region, where French language and culture remain an important part of everyday life. The community is surrounded by forests, farmland, sandy beaches, and coastal marshes, giving it a landscape that has changed very little over the generations. Fewer than 500 people live in the immediate area, creating a close-knit community where many families have lived for decades. The first Acadian settlers arrived in this part of New Brunswick during the late 1700s after many Acadians were displaced from other parts of Atlantic Canada. Farming and fishing became the foundation of the local economy, and those traditions helped shape the community that exists today. Over time, roads, churches, schools, and local businesses were established, allowing Petit-Cap to grow into a stable rural settlement while maintaining its Acadian identity. Fishing has long been one of the area's most important industries. Local fishers harvest lobster, crab, and other seafood from the nearby waters, while others work in seafood processing plants throughout southeastern New Brunswick. Agriculture also continues to play a role, with farms producing potatoes, grains, hay, and other crops. Acadian culture is deeply rooted in the community. French is the primary language spoken by many residents, and local traditions remain strong through music, food, festivals, and family gatherings. Seafood dishes, homemade pastries, and recipes passed down through generations continue to be part of everyday life. Housing in Petit-Cap is generally more affordable than in larger Canadian cities. While prices vary depending on the property's size, age, and distance from the coast, the average home typically sells for between $300,000 and $400,000 Canadian dollars. Older homes on larger lots can sometimes be found for less, while newer homes or waterfront properties often command higher prices because of their desirable locations. Today, Petit-Cap remains a community that values its Acadian heritage, strong family connections, and close relationship with the sea. While modern life has brought new opportunities and changing industries, the traditions of fishing, farming, and neighborly cooperation continue to define the area. For visitors, Petit-Cap offers an authentic glimpse of rural coastal New Brunswick, where history, culture, and nature continue to shape everyday life. Thanks for watching!